Welcome to BE Media. What's the ultimate way to make money online with minimal effort? Well, let me break it down for you. We're talking about a method that doesn't require you to show your face or become a social media influencer. No need to create a products or manage complicated courses. And forget about shelling out a ton of money upfront for ads and inventory. Oh, here's the best part. This method has a long-lasting impact. You do the work once, and it has the potential to keep putting money in your pockets for years to come. I've stumbled upon the ultimate lazy way to make money online, and it ticks out of all the boxes. Now I know you have probably came across countless videos suggesting filling out surveys or taking on gigs like transcription or content creation. Sure, you get paid for the work, but it becomes a never-ending cycle. You have to keep doing it over and over again just to make some bucks. But here's the kicker. I've got something better for you. In this video on my channel where I shared 9.5 incredible online jobs, I will reveal game-changing approach. This job doesn't require constant effort because once you put in the work, the money keeps
Wow.
rolling in even when you're just taking a break. If you're like me and you prefer smart work over hard work, then this is a gold mine you have been searching for. And now without wasting any more time, let's dive into the absolute best lazy way to make money online. Brace yourself because this is where it gets exciting. I'm talking about combining a high payout partner product with a high leverage traffic source. I know it may sound complicated, but trust me, it's the epitome of laziness when it comes to making money online. Allow me to guide you through the process. Step number one is about finding an overlap between your interest and market visibility. It's super simple. Just open up a Google document and jot down everything you're interested in. Challenge yourself to come up with at least 20 items, whether your hobbies, things that you enjoy or watching, or anything that sparks your curiosity. Then compare your list with the one I'm about to show you on the screen. Pause the video if needed and eliminate any items from your list that don't align with the one I'm presenting. Now you might be wondering why we are doing this. Trust me, it will all make sense soon enough. Moving on to step number two. It's time to partner with a high payout product that's already finished. Lucky for you, there are several websites out there with online marketplaces that allow you to access a portion of the sales revenue. Take note of these platforms: digistore24.com, clickbank.com, and few others I'll reveal later in this video when I walk you through a practical example. This won't be like other videos where they just talk about it. No. I'm going to show you a step by step how to make this work. Get ready because the lazy money making train is about to leave the station and you're on the board for an exciting ride. Here's the practical step by step guide on how to actually implement this method. Start by visiting a website like digistore24.com, go to their Marketplace tab, select the category that aligns with your interest you wrote down in step number one. Next, look for a product that has a price tag at least $500. This is an important because if you earn 50% commission on this product, you will make $250 per sale. Even just one sale per day would bring you over $100 per day using this lazy method. Sign up for the website, in this case, Digistore24, and click the promote button next to the product you want to promote. I will generate a magical link for you. Now let's get into what to do with this magical link. For illustration purposes, I'll use my own course, but feel free to choose any product you like. There are countless ways to approach this. Now, on to step number three, which is following a lazy content traffic formula. Let's start for the first part of formula, formulating your ideas. Head over to YouTube and search for the category you wrote down in step number one. Find the top 3 channels in that category and go to their most popular videos. To do this, click on the popular videos button on YouTube and jot down the 10 most popular videos from each of these 3 channels. This will give you a total of 30 ideas. Now, here's the only step that requires you a bit more work, but trust me, it's a small price to pay compared to other online jobs. This is where the magic happens because once you have done this work, you can keep making money for years to come without repeating it. Open the videos you have wrote down and start summarizing them in your own words using a Google document. If you want to be extra lazy like me, watch the videos 2 times speed to save time. Ensure that you have written content in unique and not copied from the original videos. You can use a tool called Copyscape to check the uniqueness of your content. It only costs you a few cents per search. Now, feel free to use multiple videos as inspiration and conduct additional online research to gather the best part from each video. Write them in your own words and incorporate them into your script. I'll show you what to do with this in just a moment. Once you have your script ready, open Google Slides, a free tool included in Google Drive. Create a slideshow using your script and make it visually appealing, add pictures and icons. For icons, you can use flat icon, and for pictures, you can check websites like Pixabay and Pixel. To record your screen and present your slideshow, you can use OBS, a completely free screen recorder. If you prefer not to talk, you can hire someone from platforms like Fiverr or Upwork at an affordable price to do the voiceover for you. Upload the recorded videos to YouTube, optimize them by adding relevant titles, descriptions, and tags, and don't forget to include the magical link to the product you found in the video's description and pin the comments section. Now you have an asset that has a potential to generate incomes for years to come. Here's the breakdown on how you potentially make $100 per day using this method. Set a schedule of 3 videos per week, which may sound like a lot, but it's achievable. You can record all 3 videos in a single day, dedicating just 1 day per week to this task. After a year of consistently uploading videos, you have 144 videos on your channel, assuming videos get 1,000 views per month. Remember, the majority of your views will come from a small percentage of your videos, that amounts to 144,000 views per month. If only 0.0004% of viewers purchases the product you're promoting, that is 57 sales per month. Let's say the price of the program you're promoting is $1,000. Multiply 57 by $1,000 and you'll get $57 per month. As an affiliate partner, you will receive 50% of that, and you will make $28,000 per month. While this estimate is conservative, it demonstrates the potential of this method. Please keep in mind that by following this lazy method and building up your content, you create an asset that you can continue to generate income over time. I personally have videos I uploaded back in 2014 and still generated regular income to this day. Remember, uploading 144 videos doesn't guarantee this level of earnings automatically. However, I wanted to show you what's possible with this method, which in my opinion is a truly lazy approach. You do the work once, and it has the potential to pay you constantly in the long run. Thank you for sharing these bonus tips. Let us summarize them. Bonus tip number 1, creating recurring revenue by promoting products that charge monthly fee. Look for software products or services that align with your niche and offer affiliate program. This way you can earn a monthly commission as long as your referred customers remain subscribed. Bonus tip number 2, utilize software to enhance your video creation process. If your category is technology related, you can use screen recording software like OBS to demonstrate software usage. Alternatively, you can explore tools like VideoScribe for whiteboard animation videos or Animaker for any other types of animation. Bonus tip number 3, delegate and scale your efforts. When you start making money, consider hiring others to handle tasks you dislike or you don't have time for. This could include hiring idea finders, writers, voiceover artists, editors, and thumbnail makers. By outsourcing this task, you can focus on the aspect you enjoy while maintaining the growth of your channel. Additionally, you mentioned your program Tube Mastery, where you provide guidance on hiring people, making structures, and job post templates. You can also recommend using Trello.com to manage the workflow of your channels, allowing you to organize and schedule your video production effectively. Finally, you've mentioned another video that reveals 12 different passive income sources that generate $25,000 to $37,000 per month. If viewers are interested in exploring more income sources similar to this method you've shared, they can check out that video. Remember, while these tips may offer potential opportunities to generate income, it's important to approach them with a realistic understanding of the effort required and the level of success that can be achieved. Thank you so much for the support. Please like and subscribe if you are new to this channel, and please click the notification bell to stay updated. I'll see you on the next one.